Episode 21, The 7 Principles of AI Transparency.
The AI6 Podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
Hello and welcome to the AI6 Podcast. I'm Joanne Sweeney, where I teach you the fundamentals of AI in 6 minutes or less every day. Today, I'm focusing on the 7 principles of AI transparency. What are the 7 principles? Number 1, openness and clarity. AI transparency refers to openness and clarity about how AI systems work, make decisions, and how they learn over time. It's about ensuring AI's decision-making processes align with ethical standards and societal values. Number 2, explainability. AI systems should be able to explain their decisions in a manner understandable to humans. This involves creating models that can provide insights into their behavior and decision-making processes, ensuring AI decisions can be interpreted and justified. 3, interpretability. This focuses on the human understanding of how an AI model operates and behaves. It involves understanding the internal processes, like the relationships between inputs and outputs, to comprehend the system's predictions or decisions. Number 4, accountability. Those who design and deploy AI systems must be accountable for how those systems operate. Clear owners should be identified for all AI instantations, the processes they support, the results they produce, and the impact of those processes and results on individuals. Number 5, data provenance and documentation. AI developers and those who are deploying the technology must maintain detailed records of the data used to train and operate AI systems, documenting sources, collection methods, and processing steps. This ensures the data feeding AI systems is accurate, representative, and free from biases. Number 6, ethical design. Integrating transparency into the design and decision-making processes of AI systems. This ensures that AI systems are ethically sound, respecting user privacy, and promoting equitable practices. And finally, number 7, regular auditing. Regular auditing of AI models by internal or external auditors can ensure compliance with ethical standards, legal requirements, and industry best practices. Audits help identify biases, errors, or unethical practices in AI systems, leading to improvements in transparency. So why do these principles matter? Well, the 7 principles of AI transparency are crucial because they guide the ethical and responsible development and deployment of AI technologies. Let's call it AI for good. It's there to foster trust and accountability. Transparency in AI builds trust with users and your stakeholders. When people understand how AI systems work, they're more likely to use them and feel confident in their outcomes. If AI systems are opaque, people may feel uneasy about decisions made by machines, especially in critical areas like government, public sector, healthcare, law enforcement. Transparency ensures accountability, as developers and organizations can be held responsible for the decisions and the outcomes generated by those AI systems. Ethical considerations are key. AI systems must be developed and deployed with ethical guidelines in mind. Transparency allows users and stakeholders, including regulators, to scrutinize AI algorithms and their impacts, ensuring that biases or unethical practices are identified and mitigated. Without transparency, my friends, AI systems could perpetuate harmful biases, leading to unfair treatment or discrimination. We also want informed decision-making. When AI systems are transparent, users and decision-makers can better understand how decisions are made. And of course, we're always trying to improve AI models. Transparency enables continuous improvement. By sharing details on how AI models are trained, tested, and fine-tuned, developers and researchers can identify weaknesses and areas for improvement. Regulation and legal compliance is key. As AI technology advances, governments and regulatory bodies will increasingly require transparency to ensure that AI is compliant with laws and regulations. Public trust in government and public sector AI. Now, you know I have a specific interest in this. When AI is used in public sector services, transparency becomes even more important. Citizens need to trust that AI systems are being used in their best interest. And finally, preventing misinformation and misuse. Lack of transparency can create opportunities for AI to be misused, either maliciously or unintentionally. For example, AI tools could be used to manipulate public opinion through deepfakes or targeted misinformation campaigns during elections, threatening democracy. Transparent AI systems are crucial in identifying and preventing such abuse. So, when you're using AI or whether you're developing AI, ensure that you can see and that you champion the 7 principles of AI transparency.
The AI6 Podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
If you need more AI insights and you want to stay ahead in AI marketing, check out my professional diploma for AI for marketing, or you can hire me to develop an in-company workshop. Use the code AI610 for an exclusive podcast discount. I'm Joanne Sweeney. I am your host of the AI6 Podcast, helping marketers embrace the AI age. I'll talk to you on the next episode.